Hi. Yes, I want to talk to you about Funny Boom's show. I know son, 16th of June 2024, Eco Hotel, Convention Center.
So the way you're doing it, you're looking too serious. Yes, just use please. Be polite to them. Please, I want to invite you.
Okay.
Please, the venue is at a co-hotel.
Okay, I understand.
Please, be putting please at every
I understand.
point.
Understand.
And you think, yes.
Please, I want to invite you to Eco Convention Center, 16th of June, Funny Bones show. I know so. It is very important that you...
Sorry, sir. Sorry for the break, sir. Sir, you are opening eye for them.
My name is Arinze now.
I know, sir. But if you open eye for them, so they will not be scared. They will not want to come for the show. So please, sir, your eye, maintain a valid eye contact.
Okay.
Make it pleasing to them.
Okay, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Please, we want you to attend Funny Bones show, I know son, on the 16th of June, Convention Center, Lagos, Eco Hotel. It's going to be...
You are not laughing too much. It now looks like you are the comedian. I'm the comedian, sir.
What do you want me to say now?
Sir, you are laughing too much. Just strike a balance between seriousness and head. Just...
Okay, it's on the 16th of June, Eco Convention Center. All right? By the way, it's Father's Day that day, okay? Make sure you attend the show, all right?
Sir, now you're talking like it's your show. It's my show. Funny Bone, sir.
Tell the audience what you want. Tell the viewers what you want. I'm out of here. Sort yourself out. What do you?
Sir, I do. Sir, it's June 16th, Eco Hotel at Suits. Funny Bone Live, I know son. Let me go and beg my chairman to come and finish the advert. June 16th. Yes.